find out next why network marketing is better than a job. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. And if you're curious about network marketing and whether you should get involved with it or not, hopefully this video will help you out. Now, subject, you read the title, it's why is network marketing better than a job? Now, some people have their take on it. This is mine. When it comes to network marketing, if you become successful with network marketing, by far it's better than having your traditional 9-to-5 job. Okay, because with a 9-to-5 job, of course, in most cases you're only going to get paid when you're there, right? So from 9 to 5, you're only gonna make that money when you're there, 9 to 5. Maybe you can accumulate some paid vacation days, but how many of those do you actually get? Maybe a week in a year? You might get 5 or 7 vacation days that's paid. When else do you get paid? Other than that, you really don't. You have to be there, okay, when it comes to your traditional 9-to-5 job. What network marketing allows you to do is create a passive income that even if you're not doing anything, you're actually still making money. And another thing that a lot of people like about network marketing is not only can you make money from efforts that you've done for selling the products and stuff like that. If you're doing it right, you should have a team of people with you that you're going to benefit from. When they make money, you make money. So that's why network marketing is getting more and more popular, because it creates multiple streams of income. And if you're watching this video, you definitely want to get and create multiple streams of income. All right, because you watch any of the big time business people on YouTube or anywhere else, they are going to tell you they have multiple streams of income. Every last one of them, right? So if you doubt me, look it up. It's true. All right, so network marketing allows you to do that, create multiple streams by selling different products, by getting different bonuses from selling other products, from building a team. So you're going to get streams from whatever your team actually earns. You're going to get a piece of that, and you're going to get it for years and years to come, right? So really, what job, 9-to-5 job, can you really get those benefits from? Not many. You know what I mean? You even think of high paying jobs like the traditional, be a doctor, they make a lot of money, right? Be a big time lawyer, a chiropractor, they make a lot of money and stuff, right? But they still have to go into the office, and they still have to read x-rays. They still gotta do surgeries, and all that pressure, and you gotta you gotta be there. You gotta put time in. You're making a lot of money, but you still have to be there. Network marketing, you can build up an income, and you can take 2 weeks off if you want, and you're still going to get paid. That money's still going to keep coming in, not only from you, but from your teammates, right? So this is why many people feel that network marketing is better than a job, your traditional 9-to-5 job. And I believe that as well. Now, if you want a solid, legit, growing network marketing company to join, you got to check out Genesity. I've always been talking about it. I still talk about it. I've been part of it for over a year and a half now. This company is doing big things. They have products. Well, I should say we have products in the most popular niches. The beauty industry, we got magnetic eyelashes. Not that I use them, but they're very, very popular. We got products in the advertising industry. We got products in the CBD industry. And if you know anything about CBD, it's super, super popular right now. So you might want to jump on that. And we also have I can't talk. We also have products in the weight loss industry. And if you don't know nothing about keto is huge, right? So you can actually join Genesity for free, guys. If you just want to get a feel of it, get a taste of it, you can join it for free and start making money. With a lot of other network marketing companies, you got to like put up a whole bunch of money up front. You got to buy inventory. You got to do this. You got to do that. With Genesity, you don't have to do that. You can start for free. And even if you didn't want to start for free, it's a very, very minimal cost to get started and just go all in. With Genesity, you can go all in with Genesity for under $40 a month. That's it. So for $40, you have access to promote tons of high quality products with great commissions and the opportunity to build a team underneath you. So for $40 a month, or under $40 a month, it's $39.95. So you know what I'm saying. But for that amount a month, you can actually have your own home business. All right. If you have any questions, comment below. I do actually have my phone number in the description, so you can actually give me a call, text me, leave me a voicemail, and I will help you out. Only if you're serious about getting started with Genesity, you can contact me. But the link for Genesity is right underneath this video, so you can check it out and get started with it, because it really do explain everything, guys. And if you want to join my team and let's make some passive income, let's do it. All right, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.